हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अमेजिंग लाइफ। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब जहाँ भी हैं अमेजिंग हैं। थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन, थैंक यू सो मच। आप सब हमारे लाइव देखते हैं, स्टोरीज देखते हैं, पोस्ट रिस्पॉन्ड करते हैं और इतना सारा लव लाइक देते हैं, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू सो मच, इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट। दोस्तों, बहुत लोगों ने ये सवाल हमसे पूछा कि हाउ टू increase your vibrations, how to get into a higher vibrations energy. One second. How to get into the higher vibration energy. Let me tell you, हम बहुत सारे वी ऑल वाइब्रेट ऑन फ्रीक्वेंसीज। हम सब एक फ्रीक्वेंसी में वाइब्रेट करते हैं बिकॉज वी ऑल आर एनर्जी। एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी में बहुत सारी फ्रीक्वेंसी है, कुछ लो फ्रीक्वेंसी है, कुछ हायर फ्रीक्वेंसी है। So, when we are vibrating on the lower frequency, we attract a lot of negative people, toxic people around us, and our atmosphere around us always toxic and it's not good. And when we have vibrate in a higher frequency, we have good people around us. We vibrate in a higher frequency, we attract good people. We हैं, और आज के हमारे जो गेस्ट एक्सपर्ट हैं वो है राजीव, प्रोफेसर राजीव सहगल. He is a certified and established pranic healer from MCKM, and that is Philippines. And he is doing this pranic healing since 5 years, and he have healed more than 100 people across the country. And by using distance healing, he has experience over 35 years in corporate world, and he was in the industry of Reliance and some pharmaceuticals. And he is now so much in psychotherapy, treating people with lifestyle, and dealing with relationship issues and their diseases and everything. And he is also a practitioner, nutritionist and naturopath. थैंक यू राजीव जी, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमें ज्वाइन करने के लिए, अमेजिंग लाइफ में अपना टाइम और एनर्जी देने के लिए। और आप इतनी सारी शेयरिंग करने वाले, क्योंकि बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस प्रिपेयर हैं आपके लिए.
Thanks, Sheetal, for the introduction and a
Okay.
nice introduction. Yes, now you can ask questions.
Yeah, I will definitely ask. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं रियली. ठीक है दोस्तों, तो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर लाइव टुडे. तो राजीव जी, सबसे पहले मेरा सवाल क्या है कि प्राणिक हीलिंग के बारे में तो हम जानेंगे ही, लेकिन सबसे पहले मुझे ये जानना है कि व्हाट इज ऑरा बॉडी, व्हाट इज ऑरा?
ऑरा इज जस्ट लाइक एनर्जी बॉडी. जैसे आपने देखा होगा कि जो भी स्पिरिचुअल लीडर्स हैं, व्हेन यू मीट देम you get some kind of feeling. So that is, all of us have got some kind of aura. Aura can be now checked through Kirlian photography. There is a camera, there are cameras which can take your complete picture of aura. Aura is basically an energy body which all of us have. Whenever we get any disease, it first enters through the aura and then it enters the body. So all of us have an energy body, all of us have a physical body. Okay. And both are interconnected.
Right. True. So because
जैसे आपने देखा होगा, most of us, when we go to temple, when we go to see any picture of God, we see a chakra behind it. There is a light shown behind them. Right. So that is basically the energy which is generated through the energy of the physical body. So that is known as aura.
That's nice. That's very nice. So, Rajiv ji, what is pranic healing? Like pranic healing होता क्या है basically?
Pranic healing has come from the word prana. All of us know that prana means energy. That right. It is in Sanskrit, it is known as prana. In Chinese, it is known as ki or chi. So in languages, there are different words, but basically it is an energy. We are actually energy body. Physical body is seen, energy body is not seen. It's just like, if I give you an example of that why high tide and low tide comes in sea. It is basically change in the energy of the moon. Okay. So energy can impact anything. Like sun has energy, moon has energy. Similarly, all of us have our own energy, and everything, physical body or you can say table, chair on which you are sitting also has their own energy.
Right.
So, but when it comes to the human beings, it is the energy of chakras. All of us have got chakras in our body. Chakras are basically the energy centers. Now, we heard of chakras in almost all, everything we talk about chakras. So there are 7 chakras which are commonly known. In pranic healing, we deal with 11 chakras. Otherwise, there are more than 114 chakras in body. Some are main chakras, some are small chakras. So pranic healing basically is to deal with those chakras. So when we get sick, whether it is a mental sickness or a physical sickness, it is the dirty energy which gets accumulated in different chakras.
Okay.
So pranic healing has a process, scientific process, through which we clean those chakras properly and take out the energy from the chakras and then re-energize them with a positive energy.
Oh,
So
that's nice.
yeah, so the pranic healers are trained on that, and anybody can become a pranic healer to get trained on that. So we draw that energy from the universe and channel it. So all pranic healers are basically not magicians. They're just a channel of a universal energy, which we have learned the art of channelizing that energy to human beings or anybody wherever we want.
That's nice. That's really nice because ये हमें पता ही नहीं था, you know. So it's very nice thing to know something new. ऐसा भी होता है कुछ. तो
You will
मुझे
be
ये
surprised that energy healing, you see, energy body can be created anywhere with the help of a photograph. So suppose the person is sitting on a moon, but I have his photograph with me, I can create his energy body in my room and do and visualize all the chakras and check the energy of those chakras.
I guess
Once we check,
healing is
yeah,
this is the way our next question will be ahead.
yeah.
मुझे ये जानना है. I wanted to know is कि how this pranic healing works. Like काम कैसे करता है?
You see, as I told you that we have a energy body and physical body. So physical body could be one place, but energy body can be created anywhere with the help of a photograph. That's what pranic healing we learned. So once I create the energy body in my healing room and able to visualize the chakras and their energies, I am able to heal those chakras in energy body. And since energy body is interconnected with physical body, so whatever I'm doing with energy body also impact the physical body. That is how the distance healing works. And this is not something new. For several hundreds years back, all our ancient spiritual leaders used to do that. If you talk about Ramayana, if you talk about Mahabharata, so everywhere it is. But now, after a lot of research, Master Choa Kok Sui, who is a founder of pranic healing, has done research for 20 years, and then he has studied that which chakras impact which part of the body, which organs. And based on that, like in our body we have nerves, we have veins, we have blood vessels, we have in energy body we have meridians.
Right.
So those meridians create that energy body, and we heal through the energy body.
Yeah.
And it is for last 40 years in more than 120 countries now. Basically, you will be surprised that many hospitals abroad, mainly in US, Philippines and China, they have special pranic healer as consultants on panel.
Wow, that's
So
nice.
any patient who is treated through allopathic medicine also gets treated with pranic healing, so that the patient gets healed faster. Even in India, even Bombay, Hinduja Hospital follows that. Apollo Hospital follows that. Yeah.
That's
So
great.
there is now becoming popular. Many
Popular, right.
doctors are coming and using this pranic healing as a co-therapy.
Wow, that's nice because maybe it is speeding up the recovery stage.
Yeah, you see, I tell you that suppose there is a broken bone anybody has. If orthopedician has already treated that and put a plaster, It takes 45 days for the patient to get healed. But if the
Right.
same patient also uses pranic healing, the patient will recover in 15 days.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. What a
So the bone gets healed faster
okay.
and the patient is able to go back to his work or her work much faster. That's the
Oh,
magic.
that's really nice. You know, this works magical actually. जिस तरह से आप
Yeah.
बता रहे हैं ये तो magical है actually.
It is actually, it looks magic, but it is not magic. It's all science.
Yeah, it's science. Actually, it's
Yeah.
science, but it's magical. It's magical, really.
You see,
So,
if you talk about more science, I can just tell you a reference which I will not elaborate here, but you can Google it out and find out. It's basically quantum energy.
quantum energy.
Quantum energy is your thought process. Whatever you think, it happens.
Yes, yes. So that's nice. So, what I wanted to ask is कि distance healing कैसे करते हैं? Like आप बता रहे थे ना कि
Yeah,
distance healing.
distance healing mein, suppose I come to know that patient what ailment she is suffering or she is suffering with, and then I get a photograph, name and age of the person with the medical reports. We study and find out what is wrong with the body. And in energy body, our hands are able to scan through the chakras. And after scanning through, we follow the process given in the books. So in healing books, for every disease, there is a protocol or steps given that which chakras to first clean, second, then third, and how it is to be cleaned. So it takes around 30 minutes to 1.5 hours, depending upon the kind of disease a person is suffering with, to do the healing. And there are several sessions which are required to heal a particular ailment. But for suppose you have cut in your hand or you have some injury, an accident, small injury where the bleeding is there. If you approach a pranic healer can do the healing, distance healing, and there will not be any bleeding. Bleeding immediately. If you get burned your hand in kitchen, just call any pranic healer, send the picture. You will not get any kind of blisters on your hand, and it will be there. So there's a power of when it is an acute problem, so it instantly gets healed. But when it is a chronic problem, like cancer, like arthritis, or kidney failure, or heart ailments, or hypertension, or any kind of ailment which needs a little more, so the healer has to tell you that there will be several number of sessions required to completely recover the patient.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. So I wanted to know what is psychotherapy? This is something.
Anything to do with your mental health. You know what happens? The most of the disease, these days the lifestyle diseases come because of the mental health, stress,
Fears.
anxiety, tiredness, exhaustness, relationship problems, relationship issues, not understanding each other. All these issues are psychological issues.
Right.
Again, like all these things happen due to dirty energy blocked in chakra. Like suppose we talk about heart chakra. So when there is an emotional blockage between husband and wife, there will be all the quarreling with each other or arguing with each other. So there is dirty energy which is accumulated in heart chakra.
Right.
So what pranic healer does, they clean those dirty energy from the chakras, and the relationship starts improving within few days. And that's how pranic healers are able to save a lot of divorces these days.
Wow, that's nice. That's
Yeah.
really nice.
So it's basically we work on the chakras only, whether it is mental issue, emotional issue, or a physical issue. There are different chakras which are to be cleaned or energized.
So when you're talking about the chakras, so let me ask you, okay, how the chakra get healed with this pranic healing?
You see, this is one has to learn the art of healing by going into the Pranic Healing Institute.
Right.
Sorry.
No.
When you see, there are our hands basically after a lot of meditation and energy healing, our hands become scanners.
Right.
With hand, suppose I use my hand, this hand, I can energize my hands like this and use those hands to check your energy or check your energy. So once we have scanned and we have understood which are the chakras affected, then there is a process given in the books that you have to go anti-clockwise to clean the chakras and then clockwise to energize the chakras. So energy through our hands is passed on to the chakras, and then that's how the process happens.
Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Uh, so my question is, ki, is pranic healing is a substitute for modern medicine?
No, not exactly. You see, this is basically used as a supportive therapy all across the globe, though there are various examples where pranic healing alone has also completely cured several diseases. But yes, it cannot be a substitute to modern science. But you see, when it is an emergency, suppose it's an emergency, then pranic healing will not be able to help. A
Right.
person met with an accident, have got serious injuries, is in coma, then pranic healing instantly will not work.
Right.
So substitute, but yes, if anybody is undergoing a treatment of medical science or modern therapy, then pranic healing can definitely help the patient to recover. For example, in COVID-19, there are patients whom I am healing for last more than 1 year. The patients who are not hospitalized, they get healing faster than those who get hospitalized.
Oh.
They are getting medical negative energy from the hospital and the surroundings. So
Hmm.
their disease gets blocked and they take longer time to get healed. But the
Right.
patients who are at home, I'm able to do pranic healing for them and within 10 days they're fully recovered.
Wow. That's nice. That's very good.
But today one patient is getting discharged from the hospital in just 5 days of healing.
Wow. That's so nice. That's really nice. So what I wanted to know more is that is pranic healing is used on health problems, like how it is?
It is
Only health.
used actually, no, it can be used for everything and anything. As I told you that it works on health problem definitely. It works on mental elements like depression,
Hmm.
bipolar depression. The patient are able to leave all medications if they're treated with a pranic healer for say 3 months or 4 months time. The bipolar can leave all medicines and they are completely recovered. Relationship issues I've already shared with you that we can heal and improve relationship between husband and wife, mother-in-law, daughter-in-law, or even with partner.
Right.
Healing is also used in business. A good
Okay.
leadership, good leaders use pranic healing to motivate their leaders to
Hmm.
get into pranic healing and they start doing meditation. And there are various examples, even in Bajaj industry, the MD of Bajaj industry, Rajiv Bajaj, there are videos available where he's using pranic healing for his organizations, motivating leaders, and then seeing that the results are improved. It can be used to energize everything, relationship, business, uh, partnership, or whatever.
That's nice. Matlab, we can use pranic healing in everything, like disease,
Everything.
relationships, or
Yeah.
depression, lifestyle,
Study.
motivation, everything.
The children. For children, the child who scores around 60%,
That,
if he's treated with pranic healing, can start scoring 90%, 95%.
wow, that's nice.
Because,
So that means blockages are removed from the
yeah,
body.
yeah. You see, the
That's
energy gets analyzed. Like suppose for a child, what we do that we transmute the sex energy into the brain.
right,
Child is, they're very hyper.
right.
They start getting into wrong directions. So if their energy gets channelized to the brain and brain becomes sharper,
That's right.
how the score starts improving.
That's very nice. So, how much time it takes to relieve some disease from the body by pranic healing?
As I told you, for acute cases, suppose we have a sudden cold and cough, just 1 or 2 sessions would be sufficient. But
Right.
if you have a problem like asthma or a heart problem, it may take 3 months to 6 months. Cancer may take even 9 months. My own wife, who suffered with metastatic cancer 5 years back, was
Okay.
treated by the pranic healing, and it took around 5 months for her to come out of cancer completely. So
Oh,
she perfectly fine in last 5 years. She herself got treated by me. And after that, now there are doctors, there are cancer specialists who are sending their patients to me.
Oh, that's nice. That's
There are
so
many
good.
doctors who are referring their patients. They say that we will do the treatment, but you do the pranic healing also so that the patient
Speed.
recovers faster. Because,
Yeah.
psychologically the patient gets depressed and they get tense. So we do psychotherapy for them to motivate them, to
Right.
clear their fears from their
Right.
brain. So they become more energized. They become
Right.
more receptive to the treatment.
Right. It works double effectively. Right.
Yeah, yeah,
Since they are also working and this alternative energy is also working.
yeah,
So
yeah.
the combination of both makes the person, get recover faster.
You
That's
see, there
great.
are there are a good percentage of medical experts who have now come into pranic healing as experts, as pranic healer. So they
Right.
parallelly use pranic healing and their treatment. Like suppose a dentist, there are a lot of dentists, a lot of physiotherapists in pranic healing now
Hmm.
because they heal the patient through both the energies.
So that's really nice.
Yeah,
So
Dr. B.M. Hegde, Dr. B.M. Hegde is now leading cardiologist in India. He's a Padma Bhushan awardee and he's 83 years old. He himself, he has a lot of videos available on YouTube. He has recommended pranic healing and treated several patients through pranic healing.
okay, so that's nice. What I wanted to ask कि प्राणिक हीलिंग से जैसे अभी आपने बताया कि आपकी वाइफ का कैंसर तक ठीक हो गया,
Yeah,
so it's very big achievement I can say because
yeah, yeah.
healing
Actually,
का
we now started calling that it was a blessing in disguise that she got cancer. Because if
okay,
she would not have got, I would not have got into pranic healing.
okay
Now we are
because
feeling so blessed. We are feeling so blessed that we are able to help several people who are suffering.
so it's a God's way to make you move in this direction
Yes,
basically.
yes, yeah.
Yeah, so that's nice, हमें कभी कभी पर्पस दिखने के लिए दिखाने के लिए
Right.
भगवान को एक्यूट रास्ते लेने पड़ते
Very true.
हैं सॉरी ओके सो माय नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि क्या ये कोविड के वायरस भी ठीक हो जाते हैं मतलब जैसे
Yes,
आपने शेयर किया
anything. See, COVID virus also get because what is happening that COVID is happening basically due to poor immunity. The patient who are having poor immunity for any reason, maybe due to some disease like diabetes or other problems, or maybe as such they have got poor immunity. Pranic healing has a protocol to boost immunity of a patient. So we do that kind of protocol. It takes 1 hour for me to heal one patient, and it takes around 15 days regular healing for a patient to recover fully.
ओके सॉरी थोड़ा सा थ्रोट ये हो रहा था इसलिए ओके सो कोई साइड इफेक्ट है क्या प्राणिक हीलिंग के आर देयर एनी साइड इफेक्ट्स फॉर द
See,
प्राणिक
there is no side effect. There is no side effect of pranic healing at all because this is a spiritual energy.
okay that's
So
one
all you see, pranic healing cannot be used for any negative intention. It can only do positive things.
okay
So, like suppose somebody comes to me to do a business healing, that he is going for an important meeting. So we cannot heal the way by telling that you will be the winner. We say that whatever will happen in the meeting would be positive to you.
right
Whether it is, yeah, so that's how we heal. We cannot do any negative healing with the help of pranic healing.
right that's true that's nice
Yeah, only
so
positive things.
okay so there are no side effects basically there are
No
no
side
side
effects. Yeah.
okay so how much this healing cost uh,
You see,
uh,
healing, actually, it is a healer who takes 1 hour to 2 hours per session. He is to be compensated as an energy exchange.
okay
We call it energy exchange, not the fees. Why? Because we work on karmas.
right
So the patient becomes entitled to receive this energy only when he pays to the healer.
okay
So
okay
it is more important for the patient to pay than the healer to take.
oh okay
Okay, so if I don't take anything, then that negative energy which I am healing the patient will get into my body.
Oh,
So I don't want to suffer. So when we heal, we ask patient that he should meet his karma and pay to the healer so that there is no karmic debt on the
right.
patient. And what healer gets, the healer utilizes that money partly for his own living, and most of that goes for good work to seek blessings for the patient.
Oh, that's something.
All pranic healers are committed to do charity.
Okay, okay, that's nice.
And
So,
we also heal many patients free of cost, but only those patients who cannot afford at all to pay. Like suppose my maid servant or maybe any worker who cannot afford to pay, then we ask them to do 1 rupee or 2 rupees and we heal them. But we still take 2 rupees from them,
right.
just
So,
as a symbolic this.
जी, तो राजीव जी जैसे आपने बताया है माय ऑडियंस के लिए भी एक क्लियर हो गया है कि प्राणिक हीलिंग कोई भी करवा सकता है, कोई भी स्मॉल डिसीज हो, एक्यूट डिसीज हो, बहुत बड़ी डिसीज हो, सब डिसीज ठीक हो सकती है, लाइफस्टाइल ठीक हो सकती है, डिप्रेशन वाले इंसान ठीक हो सकते हैं, रिलेशनशिप ठीक हो सकती है, बहुत कुछ एंड देयर आर नो साइड इफेक्ट्स, इवन बच्चों को भी दे सकते हैं एंड दिस इज अ वेरी जस्ट एनर्जी हीलिंग एंड it speed ups the whatever your process going on, ये speed up करती है. तो मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि क्या कोई स्पेसिफिक पर्सन ही हीलर बन सकता है या कोई भी हीलर बन सकता है?
Anybody who is 10th pass who can read and write can become a pranic healer, because pranic healing is not difficult to learn at all. You go to the institute, they will tell you, you will be able to learn it. What is difficult is to practice it.
Right.
Why it is difficult? Because one is to be dedicated to energy. They have to have a character of their own. They are not supposed to cheat anybody, misguide anybody, or do or earn something which is not, through the proper way. So pranic healers are basically taught to be a very clean in their character, and they are supposed to do everyday meditation to get the divine energy. So we have specific meditations. They are known as twin heart meditation. This meditation is basically for blessing the universe. So in the entire meditation, guided meditation, we bless everybody. Like suppose in my building, there are 4 COVID patients now. So what I do in my meditation, I heal them. I pass blessings to them so that they recover.
Oh, that's nice.
So pranic healing is basically to bless everybody. So those healers who are able to do that, who have got big heart to give, because karmic bank is the only bank where the balance improves by giving, not by taking.
Right, that's true.
Do you understand?
Right.
So we are basically into building our karmic bank balance by doing good karmas.
That's nice.
So all pranic healers who are committed to do good karmas are very proficient and very powerful pranic healers. Those who are doing it for money's sake, they sometimes have wicked energies and may not be able to do the right kind of healing.
Okay, okay. That's really nice. That's really
But,
good to know something.
but most of the pranic healers are very, very committed people. They don't do any kind of wrongdoing.
Oh, that's really good. So my last question for you is, can
Anybody,
pranic...
sorry to stop. Shidhar, every pranic healer wants and wishes that there should be one pranic healer in every family. So we motivate a lot of families to have one pranic healer in their family. It's a
Absolutely.
business. There's no competition in this. We
Right.
try to see that every family has one pranic healer so that they can lead a blissful life like we are living today.
Right. You are actually absolutely correct, because हर फैमिली में एक हीलर होगा. Any one person is member is a healer, whole member are sorted.
Yes.
There
Yes.
will be no problem, there will be no environmental negativity, there will be no issues, there will be no disease. Everything will be sorted.
Many of my patients I have motivated to become pranic healers, and they have become pranic healers and now leading a very blissful life.
That's really amazing. This is a very good thought of yours. It's amazing, really. So my last question to you is, if anybody is thinking of, अभी जो लाइव देख रहे हैं उसमें से अगर कोई सोच रहे हैं कि हाँ प्राणिक हीलिंग करना अच्छा है, तो क्या वो अर्न कर सकते हैं अपने लिविंग के लिए थ्रू प्राणिक हीलिंग?
Yes, as I told you that every pranic healer charges energy exchange from the patient, and it is normally 1,000 rupees per session.
Okay.
Sometimes, suppose I am doing 15 sessions for a patient, I get 15,000 rupees paid by him. Now, out of this 15,000, maybe I may utilize 10,000 for charity, but 5,000 still remains my own income. So, if I'm doing this kind of healing, 4 sessions, 5 sessions, 6 sessions a day, there is enough money to be earned, which where I can live my life with the help of that, and that is a very positive money. It's very positive money that basically grows. So money earned through the right kind of karmas gets multiplied.
Right.
And I don't promote myself. No pranic healer promotes. Actually, it's through the word of mouth only. So there are patients in India who are healed by me. Now they talk to their relatives in Singapore and the US, and those patients call me, and then I heal them.
Okay.
So that's how it is spreads. Yeah.
So that's
And
really
we are actually highly contented family.
okay.
Highly contented, and very blissful life.
That's
You
really
believe
nice.
that I don't remember I've gone to a doctor in last maybe how many years, I don't know.
Oh,
Not recall.
that's really nice, So this is really something very amazing to know about, because अगर हम सब प्राणिक healing कर सकते हैं तो we should actually get into this more, and we can be disease free always, So
Yeah. And very easy. You see, anybody who types that pranic healing center near me on Google will get whole list of centers who will train a person to become a pranic healer.
Okay, that's so nice.
Very easy. Yeah.
That's so nice. So राजीव जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, आपने इतने सारे इंफॉर्मेशन हमसे शेयर की, everything about pranic healing. I guess कि our audience is now absolutely clear कि pranic healing होती क्या है and वो काम कैसे करती है, उसके साइड इफेक्ट्स क्या होते हैं जो नहीं है साइड इफेक्ट, एंड वो क्रॉनिक डिसीज को भी हील कर देती है. No, we are educated with everything now. अभी तक हमारे लिए प्राणिक हीलिंग was a mystery, और अभी हम लोग sorted away with everything. Thank you so much.
I would like to utilize this channel maybe sometime in future for taking everybody through this twin heart meditation, which we talk about, and tell everybody how this meditation can really help them in getting into spirituality and make their life simple to live.
That's so nice. That's so nice. Definitely, we will do sometimes. Really. अभी थोड़ा सा टाइम कंस्ट्रेन है, अब नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन डेफिनेटली नेक्स्ट टाइम हम जरूर करेंगे. So Rajiv ji, thank you so much for joining us, and thank you for sharing so much. You have really shared the information with us. Boliye.
Yeah, I request all those who are present can ask Amazing Life and contact them for any further queries on pranic healing, and I would respond to that, or they can reach to me through Google. If somebody searches Professor Rajiv Sehgal on Google, I think he'll be able to. They can find me there. Okay. Right.
No worries.
Thanks
So yes, definitely anybody will be contacting us. We will be heading towards you. So guys, here we have this session of pranic healing. I'm sure अगर आपके कोई doubts भी होंगे तो आप हमें messenger पे message कर सकते हैं, आप पूछ सकते हैं आपके जो भी doubts है. और वैसे राजीव जी ने तो everything, actually I guess you have cleared all the doubts about pranic healing. So thank you so much Rajiv ji for joining us. Thank you so much. It was really nice talking to you, and you have really given a very good information about pranic healing. Thank you so much.
I have definitely enjoyed this session, and Sheila, thanks for reaching to me, and giving this opportunity to me to be with people like this.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
God bless you, and God bless you. God bless everybody. I wish everyone to come out of this corona fear and live a blissful life.
Yeah, this is required actually. इसकी बहुत जरूरत है सबको. राइट।
Thank you.
तो दोस्तों आप लोग ने पूछा था हमें कि हमें हाई वाइब्रेशन एनर्जी में कैसे रहना है, तो उसके लिए we have some tips for you. So we will be sharing with you. That is, try to eat a food that is high vibrational. Like don't eat dead foods like non-veg, because it has a very few 3 to 5 mH of frequency in it. But if you will eat food like living food, like green vegetables and something living food like this, it will give you more than 60 to 70 megahertz frequency, and your vibrations will increase. Similarly, you can drink a lot of water. It removes the toxic from your body and it gives you a lot of high vibrational frequency. Drink lot and lot of water. And third but not the least one, it is a sleep. अगर आप deep sleep सोते हैं, if you sleep good and deep, you are going to get amazing what I can say, high vibrational throughout the day, because a good sleep will raise your vibration in the morning and you will be whole lot of energy and strength in the morning. So focus on these three. These are most prior one, and we have more like music, listening to a good music, having more good essential oil is also important, and reading some amazing books and meeting people who are really in their high vibrations. All these things are also important, but this three is the most prior thing. So do this and see your vibration level shifts, and even energy healing and everything really raise our vibrations. So I guess this will help you for increasing your vibrations. For today, it's all about this much. Next time we are going to talk much more about energy healing. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं next week Sunday. तो राजीव जी हम वाइंड अप कर रहे हैं, मिलते हैं
Thank you.
आपसे।